A very good morning to all of you, my dear students. Welcome back to the class. So we are going to discuss about the making of the constitution. So some basic principles were decided. First of all, what happened? Some basic principles or some basic provisions were decided and agreed upon. And then a drafting committee chaired by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, they prepared a draft constitution for discussion. So first of all, they have not finalized the points of the constitution. What they have done, they have just written some of the basic rules which had to be followed by the citizen of the country. They have written, not finalized, they have written, and they have opened it for a particular discussion. So it was shared by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, and he prepared the draft of the constitution so that they can discuss upon the various points. What they have done first, they have written all the basic principle, all the basic rules which have to be followed by the citizen of the country. They have written that it was a draft that was not finalized, and then they started discussing on those points one by one. So that was the beginning of making the constitution. Several rounds of thorough discussion took place on the draft constitution, clause by clause. Several rounds of thorough discussion. बहुत सारे rounds हुए, thorough discussions took place on those points which had been drafted, and that was done clause by clause, one point to another point. They just moved one point to another point and they discussed and they finalized. More than 2,000 amendments were considered also. 2,000, more than 2,000 changes were accepted at that time while drafting the constitution. So they had written such more than 2,000 points which were amended later on, because it was drafted only. While finalizing, it was amended. The members have sat together for 114 days. They planned for 114 days spread over 3 years from 1947 to 1950. They planned for 114 days together. They sat together, they discussed, and they planned this constitution. Every document presented and every word is spoken. You can see over here. That is most important, my dear students. Every document presented and every word spoken in the Constituent Assembly has been recorded and preserved. हर वो बात को रिकॉर्ड किया गया, हर वो बात को डॉक्यूमेंट को भी रिकॉर्ड किया गया और प्रिजर्व कर लिया गया, सेव कर लिया गया, so that it can help us when there is any issue. These are known as Constituent Assembly debates. वो जो रिकॉर्ड करके प्रिजर्व किया गया, the things which have been recorded and preserved, they are known as Constituent Assembly debates. When printed, these debates were 12 bulky volumes. है ना, 12 volumes थे. There are 12 bulky volumes which all have the saved materials or documents or the debates which were there in the Constituent Assembly. 12 bulky volumes known as Constituent Assembly debates. These debates help us when there is any issue, when there is a conflict, when there is a misunderstanding in the constitution. So we open those debates so that we can understand what the people who were drafting the constitution at the time, what they meant by giving this clause. So these debates are helping us. Nowadays also, the Supreme Court, they used to look upon those debates and they used to resolve the conflict when there is a conflict in the misunderstanding or in the understanding of any clause of the constitution. So these debates help us. These documents which have been recorded and preserved, they help us. These 12 bulky volumes, they are used to interpret, or you can say explain, the meaning of the constitution. That is the reason why these particular debates or the documents have been preserved for the lifetime. It will be there for the lifetime in our country. That's all in this class, my dear students. Hope you're all safe at home. Stay at home and stay safe. We will meet once again in our next class. That's all. Thank you. Bye-bye. Take care.